It's such a beautiful day.
That's also Highline.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video from beautiful New York City. So today I'm actually at the Highline over here, and I'm going to take you for a little tour of Highline, and after that try to see what other cool places are over here where we can go and get a ride. So come on and let's get this video started. A little bit of a background and a history of Highline. Highline basically was this train line that used to go from Midtown Manhattan, like from about Penn Station area to all the way to meatpacking, and used to carry meat. That's how the livestock used to get delivered to the meatpacking area where it used to get slaughtered, packed. All the meatpacking companies were over there. But now, of course, that has stopped, and what the government has done, and they have done this beautiful thing, is actually took over that line and made it into a park. And now people can just walk over here in the city and just have a great time. It's elevated park with beautiful buildings all over the place. So it starts right about where the Moynihan station is, comes through Hudson Yards, and then goes all the way up to meatpacking. And you can just take a nice walk over here and enjoy this flora, fauna, and watch these beautiful buildings around the city. And there's quite a few nice restaurants around this neighborhood too. So we'll be discovering all of those places, so please stick around and let's have a good time. And if you're loving my videos, please do subscribe and hit the like button, and please put a comment below and tell me how you're loving this video. By the way, I've got a new gimbal I just wanted to share with you, and I'm going to do a video on the gimbal too. I'm just loving this. It's a Qanoon Crane M3S gimbal, just loving it. It's a beautiful piece of equipment, and it makes my life so easy, and I'm hoping that you are loving the footage as well. Please put a comment below and let us know, and let me know how you're loving this video, how you like this new footage with this new gimbal. And of course, I've got my Sony ZV-E10, which I'm loving too, which I've been filming for the last couple of months, and most of my recent footage is, you know, using that camera, this camera, and let me know what you think. So this is one of the most famous buildings over here. This was architected by the famous, I think her name is Miss Hadid. She's one of the most famous architects. She did the Mumbai airport as well. Zaya Hadid, or I totally forgot her name. I'm going to put a link below about that too, like about her. But look at how beautiful this building is. Look at the flora and the fauna over here. There's like all kinds of, you know, trees and plants that hasn't been actually destroyed or anything. And when there was the train line over here, which the train line was right over here, this flora and fauna existed. So they kept it as natural as possible. And of course, then you see the skyline of the city right over here, which is so fantastic. And of course, this is the famous building. Now look at this. Everybody's kind of walking, enjoying their time over here. And look at the flora and fauna over here. Wow, this is just amazing. And then what you can do is, these are the kind of outposts over here. You can just stand over here, relax, do whatever you feel like, eat, drink, and watch the city over here. There you go, that's the city. A lot of people are just standing over here, just enjoying this beautiful summer day and taking pictures with their families, and then just strolling because it's a weekend. It's such a beautiful day. That's what people do, you know, on the Highline. And I strongly recommend that if you're in New York City, if you're visiting or if you're staying, I'm very sure if you're a New Yorker, you have been to the Highline. How could you miss that? But if you haven't, please come. And if you're a visitor, a tourist, definitely come over here. There you go. Everybody's in a good mood. The weather and this beautiful walk makes people appreciate this place and their spirits get uplifted. Wow, look at this beautiful artifact over there, and the background with that all modern new houses. And by the way, this is probably one of the most expensive places to live in the city. The apartments are in probably millions and millions of dollars. This is the train line. It still exists. They haven't taken it out. There's some really funky buildings over here. Look at this architecture. Kind of looks like igloo over here. It's amazing. Some of this architecture that you see over here is just out of this world, and it's probably designed by some very famous architect. Not sure who it is, but it's amazing. So just came out from the Highline. Highline is just behind us. That's also Highline. And now planning to go to this Palestinian restaurant over here. I think it's called Qanoon, Qanoon. It's a new restaurant. I think it just opened up maybe a couple of months back. The reviews are just fantastic. It's one of the few Palestinian restaurants that exist in the city. So let's go and check that out, guys. So don't go away, more to come. I hear that the food is just fantastic. So we will show you exactly how the food looks, what we're ordering, how the ambience, all of that stuff. So stick around, guys, more to come. I hope you're enjoying this video. That's the restaurant, guys. That's called Qanoon. And how beautiful this street is in Chelsea. And they have an outside seating over here too. And this is how it is. As I said, it's called Qanoon. So guys, got this outside seating is just beautiful over here. Now, the menu looks gorgeous. The menu looks so interesting over here. Look at the food over here. These are the appetizers. All kinds of really yummy stuff over here. This is all Middle Eastern food, and it's all Lebanese food. Got this fantastic Palestinian Soviet bone. Let's taste it. It's really nice. It's kind of fresh, kind of a little citrusy, but kind of smooth also. It's a little bit different from the regular Sauvignon Blanc that we have out of California or out of France, but it's very nice. I definitely recommend it. Guys, look at the food over here. That's the baba ganoush. That's the sesame. Wow, look at the way that they have presented it. The presentation is like fantastic. Then you have the pita bread. You've got some more appetizers over here. And then you have got the burrata with tomatoes. This is just amazing. So guys, look at this feast. So I'm going to start with this hummus. I'll take some pita bread over here. Oh my god, this is amazing. There's the octopus and all that on top of it.
Yeah, my friend is on that so funny. I'm like this guy that's just like super attracted about that.
Oh my god.
I have like a little crush.
You can taste that olive oil in there. It's so fresh, it's so yummy, it's just beautifully made. And look at the presentation. This is just kind of a little punch. It almost tastes like the halloumi. Amazing. A1, guys. This is just fantastic. So the place is called Qanoon. It's a Palestinian place. Probably it's the only, maybe couple of Palestinian places that's in the city. I mean, there's, in Staten Island and Brooklyn, I have taken you to Ayat in Brooklyn. But I think this is the only Palestinian restaurant in New York, in Manhattan. And it's amazing. They've done a fantastic job. And this is in Chelsea. Definitely visit this place. It's on 21st. I'll put a link below. And 9th Avenue. Definitely come. The staff and the people, everybody is super. The service is excellent. So I definitely recommend. More dishes to come, so stick around. Some fresh branzino is coming after this. So stick around, guys. Wow, look at that branzino. It's so fresh and it's on grill, and the presentation is just fantastic. But moment of truth now, guys. We're gonna eat that and see how it is. Here you go, guys. Freshly grilled with some vegetables. The entire thing is so yummy, so yummy. And the fish is very fresh. You can just taste the freshness. It's just really yummy. I'm trying to get some out of here, some of the meat. Oh my god. This is one of the best fish I've ever had. Especially in Manhattan. Always Manhattan has got good fish, but this place is just lovely. Very well done. Definitely recommend it. Everything over here was just excellent. Just loving the place, guys. And again, I absolutely recommend that you come to Qanoon. So we just finished the meal over there, and it was just fantastic, guys. Just loved that whole experience. The food was just excellent. The service was good. The staff was just fantastic. They saw me filming, so they came and said hello, and one of them actually became a subscriber too. So it was an excellent experience, guys. So definitely if you are in Chelsea, definitely if you are in New York City, and if you love Middle Eastern food, especially Palestinian food, definitely come to Qanoon. You will totally enjoy the food over here. I guarantee you that. Anyways, I'm going to end the video tonight. I hope you enjoyed this whole video of the Highline and this, this Palestinian food experience. More videos to come, so definitely hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos, and definitely subscribe to my channel, guys. And thank you so much, and good night from New York City.